Students, today I'm going to show you the first program in LabView. LabView is called graphical programming. Here, when you open the LabView, this is the window you will get LabView. To create a first program, I'll go to File, New VI. So every program you do with LabView, it is called a VI. VI stands for Virtual Instrument, and these are the two windows you will get when you open the LabView program. To align these windows side by side, there is a shortcut key that is Control T. These are the two windows, main two windows you will get. So this window it is called a front panel, and this window it is called a block diagram. So front panel it is a gray window, block diagram it is a white window you are observing. So here you will get this. You usually come across mainly two terms. One are controls, another is indicators. Controls and indicators. These are the two main terms you will come across while doing LabVIEW programming. So controls are nothing but inputs, indicators are nothing but outputs. You remember this point very well. Controls are inputs, indicators are outputs. So before learning the LabVIEW, first we'll do a simple program with the LabVIEW. First we'll do small exercise. First we'll take on two numbers and add the two numbers and display the result. So first we'll do this one. First we'll take two numeric values and try to add them and display the results. For that, first just go to the front panel, right click, go to numeric and controls. As I said, controls are inputs. Take one control. Same thing, right click, numeric, control. Take the second control, second input, and you can rename it as this is a number one. I'll change this as a number one, number one, and I'll change this to number two, number two. So now the two numbers controls, that means two inputs I have taken. You observe whenever I drop these two controls on the front panel, the corresponding nodes appear on the block diagram. So observe here. So again come to the front panel only. Here we'll take one indicator to display the sum of these two numbers. Numeric, again go to indicator. I will name it as a sum. Sum. So our controls and indicator is ready now. Now I have to connect in between. There is a logic addition. So before that you just select this and you can increase the font also. Size, increase. Okay. Now coming to this block diagram, here the actual code that is going to be written. Numbers are ready. Number one, number two. Some indicator is also ready. In between, I have to use the add function. For that, right click, empty space, go to numeric. This is a function palette. One more time, I'll show you. Right click, numeric, you place add function. So right click on the add function, visible items label. It is add function. Here, add function, you know that it is having two inputs and one output. Any numbers you give at the input side, two numbers, it will give some at the output side. Now these numbers with help of this mouse and wire I will connect here. The sum is connected to the output of this add node or add function. It is output connected to the sum indicator. So now the program is ready. To save this program, again go to file, save. You'll give some one, already some one file is there. someone someone.vi. You can observe at the title bar someone.vi. What is this? Vi is virtual instrument. .vi stands for virtual instrument. Any program you return using a LabView, you do the graphical programming, the extension, the file it is saving in .vi. In the same manner, if you do the Word file, the extension is .doc, doc file, Excel file .xls, C file .c. Likewise, LabView programming .vi. You remember this. LabView, it is a short form for Laboratory Virtual Instrument Engineering Workbench. LabView, Laboratory Virtual Instrument Engineering Workbench. Now, we have taken very one simple example. We have taken two numbers and we are trying to display that sum of these two numbers. So the program is ready. This is the block diagram. It is the front panel. Now I'll run the program. To run the program, you have to go to this run button. Before that, I'll give some inputs here. 4 and 6 I have given. If you run this, what is my expectation is 4 plus 6, 10 should appear at the sum. See here. So it is coming. Now I can change the input also because these are the controls that is having control by the user. That means inputs I can control. 11 plus 6, my expectation is 17. No, it is coming. So it is, you can run this like this. So another thing is that run continuously. If you go to here, run continuously, if you do this, what happens? Real time you can change the inputs. So you are getting the outputs on the real time. See here, you can observe here. So this is the first program. So in the next program, I will show you all the arithmetic operations with the help of LabView and we'll go some in detail. Okay, thank you.